crystal lattice, unit cell, ZA packing fraction density and Bragg's equation, voids, radius ratio, and defects. Lattice point, arrangement of atoms or ions. Space lattice, arrangement of lattice points in space. Isotropic, the physical properties are same in all directions. Amorphous solids, examples, glass, plastic, sand. Anisotropic, the physical properties are not same in all directions. Example, crystalline solids. Three-dimensional repeated unit known as unit cell. Lattice points are joined in a straight line to bring lattice. 14 Bravis lattices are grouped into 7 crystal systems. They are cubic, tetragonal, rhombic, hexagonal, trigonal, triclinic, and monoclinic. Z, number of atoms in a unit cell. For primitive unit cell, 1, body-centered cubic, 2, face-centered cubic, 4. A, edge length, the distance between two corners. PUC, 2R is equal to A, BCC, 4R is equal to root 3A, FCC, 4R is equal to root 2A. Bragg's equation gives the distance between two lattice points. N lambda is equal to 2d sine theta, where n is equal to order of reflection. Packing fraction, the ratio of volume of atoms to volume of cube. Primitive unit cell 0.532, BCC 0.68, FCC 0.74. Density, we know mass per volume. Density is equal to Z into M by Na into A cube into 10 power 30 grams per centimeter cube, where M is equal to molecular weight, Z is equal to number of atoms, Na is equal to Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 power 23, A edge length. Void, an empty space between spheres, may be atoms or ions. Tetrahedral void, on each diagonal 2 tetrahedral voids. In a unit cell, 8 tetrahedral voids are possible. Octahedral void, these are formed at edge center and body center. In a unit cell, 4 octahedral voids are possible. Radius ratio, ratio of radius of cation to radius of anion. Cations are small in size, occupies in the space of tetrahedral voids or octahedral voids. The radius of tetrahedral void upon radius of anion is equal to 0.225. Radius of tetrahedral void is equal to 0.225 radius of sphere. Radius of octahedral void upon radius of anion is equal to 0.414. That is, radius of octahedral void is equal to 0.414 radius of anion. Defects, imperfections. Stoichiometric defect. The ratio of atoms are equal to molecular formula. In that, Scottish defect, missing equal number of cations and anions. Example, NaCl, cesium chloride, potassium bromide and silver bromide. Frankel defects, also called as dislocation defect or interstitial defect. Examples, silver chloride, silver bromide, silver iodide and zinc sulfide. Note, silver bromide shows both Scottish defect and Frankel defect. Non-stoichiometric defect. The ratio of atoms are not equal to formula. Metal excess defect. NaCl forms F centers. Zinc oxide turns to yellow on heating. Metal deficiency defect. Missing of metals from its lattice point. Example, Fe 0.950. Impurity defect. Strontium chloride in NaCl. Strontium plus 2 occupy Na plus out of 2 Na plus. Cadmium chloride in silver chloride. Thank you.